Photon education has been on the market since 2017. Photon products are currently used by more than 6,000 institutions and over 300,000 students on 6 different continents. As these numbers go up, so does the number of ideas for applying Photon products in education. In this video, I will show you where to look for inspiration and ideas for interdisciplinary classes with Photon. Even though you do not need any programming skills to work with Photon, we made sure to provide you with all the support you need. Here are a few places where you can look for help in case you find yourself in trouble. The first is the Photon official website, where you can find information about the robot, as well as different accessories and teaching kits. Another is the Photon educational portal, where teachers share their ideas for using the robot in teaching. There, you will also find inspiration for conducting classes with students of all ages. What's important is that the Photon team makes sure that all of the materials are easily accessible, so you're not going to waste time looking for what you need. Every teacher may also share their ideas on the portal by uploading their lesson plans. All of the materials on the portal are completely free. The final place is Facebook and its groups, where teachers share photos and class ideas. If you're looking to find inspiration for conducting fun activities with your students, go to the Photon Global Community Group on Facebook. The Photon community is constantly expanding and evolving. Inspiring lesson materials, such as lesson plans, can be found on the official Photon website, Photon Educational Portal, and Facebook groups. All lesson plans on our websites are completely free.